Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fold your one-page 40 non-engagement responses for Intrusive Thoughts mini booklet. Once you've printed out your page, just check that the borders are even all the way around, because sometimes it can print a little bit skew width and that will just knock the whole booklet out and it'll look not as nice as it could. So we want to make sure that we're going to get a nice crease down the centre of the page. So we're going to fold it in half lengthways, do a hot dog fold, and run our fingers down the crease to get a really sharp crease. And then we're going to open it back up. You see how that crease is right down the centre, that's what you want. And then fold it widthways, so do a hamburger fold, and again a really nice sharp crease. And then we're going to take the loose end and fold it back towards that centre crease. And then flip it over and do the same with the other side. It can be a bit fiddly trying to get it nice and straight. And then when you've done that, if you hold it and look down the end, you should see a nice W shape. And then we're going to go back to the hamburger fold, so just a widthways fold again. And we're going to cut from the fold just to the centre there between those four little pages. And then we're going to open it back up so the pages are facing you, and then it's like a diamond or like a beak and you push the sides together so that you get this X shape. And then you're going to find the front page and the back page, so the values refocus and mindful redirection pages, and then just run your fingers over those creases again to make sure it's nice and flat, and then fold it in half. And again, run your fingers down the spine of the little book, and you should have a lovely little pocket size 40 non-engagement response mini booklet, which you can give to your clients or keep for yourself, or learn what's a useful response to intrusive thoughts if you're a loved one or family member. So yeah, thanks so much. It's part of my 40 non-engagement responses for intrusive thoughts pack, which you can get from OCDdoodles.com if you've not got a copy already. It also comes with the wheel that the little booklet is based on, in full colour, and there's also a black and white version for either mindful colouring, or your clients or yourself can colour in the ones or highlight the ones that you like and that speak to you.